this is the material. Dry. How easy it is to handle coco peat. Early in the morning we will be pinching it like this, put a seed and then pinch everyone, then put seed and then again give us fine layer of this coco peat and it will work. So now all the seeds are after putting them in their places and then covering them with the respective media. Now I'm going to give water for the first time. From today onwards and this time onwards we will be keeping record of all these things for at least of 21 days, and we'll see if we even need to keep it further. Now what you see here, all these are fruity vegetables or some fruits. For today for this case we are not going to use any fungicide throughout the experiment, and we will genuinely observe what is the response that we are getting. So first watering will be a deep watering, and after which the watering will be as and when plant requires. So just to bring everyone to the common ground, we will be doing this thoroughly. So अभी वाटरिंग कंप्लीट हो चुका है सभी बेड्स का. फर्स्ट वाटरिंग थरो किया है, उसकी वजह से नीचे से पानी ड्रेन होके बाहर आ चुका है. एंड नेक्स्ट वाटरिंग के लिए अपन अभी एज एंड व्हेन नेसेसरी की तरह काम करने वाले हैं. So it will illustrate or demonstrate how such soilless medias can be used on a comparative scale to grow veggies hydroponically. It has been already established कि अपन use कर सकते हैं बोल के, but now all it boils down to if whether or not if it can be used, if bamboo peat can be used in comparison to with other medias. One more thing that we are trying is what will be the impact if I can substitute coco peat partially, means for these 4 or 3 vegetables depending on space what we are going to do. I have prepared these kind of beds. So this is like again the soaked and kind of treated bamboo peat, regular coco peat, untreated bamboo peat. Then there will be a mixture of coco peat and bamboo peat in equal proportions. This is just a midway. If we find that there is some improvement or there is some profit doing this, then we can again fine tune this to maybe if it goes to 25%, 30% or 70%, whatever, depending on the results that we get.